Hey, this is Andy back at AJ Cycle and Trike Conversions. Today I would like to take a quick tour through the shop. We've been in our shop before, but I really haven't shown you around. Come on with me. Now back here is our service center. We do all of our service back here, our trike builds and everything. Take a quick scan around there and look at everything. We got a lot of stuff back here, a lot of things going on right now. We have 6 motorcycle service bays installed back here with 6 lifts and everything. Got a lot of things going on right now. We've got some bikes getting worked on right now. Come with me down this way. I want to show you some of our workstations, some of our bikes we've got on the lifts here. We do sport bikes, we do Harleys, we do four-wheelers, Japanese street bikes, Gold Wings, BMWs, you name it. We do all that. Here's some of our workbenches and storage areas here. All of our, you may notice all of our technicians are fully computer equipped. We've got access to all of our service information, email, internet, they've got everything. They can communicate with our customers, they can access all of the service information. Come down here with me a little bit farther, I'll show you some more of our, we've got tools, we've got lots of tools, we've got toolboxes everywhere. Everybody's got a nice toolbox. Here's another machine that we've been working on. Doing a little bit of carburetor service of this, and this is kind of in the middle of that, got the fuel tank off of it and everything. Let me come over here, I think I got one of our guys getting ready to come to the door right now. Some service on a four-wheeler over here. This is William. I want to introduce you to William, one of our techs. How you doing, William?
I'm doing very good. How about everybody else today?
We're doing great. Tell me about what you're doing today.
Right here I've got a Yamaha Terra Pro. I'm just going to do a quick full service on it. Just some basic inspection, go over, touch everything basically. Change the oil, filter, check the valves, check tire pressures, check the brakes. Just go through and just touch everything. Make sure it's all ready for the summer coming up.
All right, very good.
Get going here.
Well, we'll let him get to work here. Oh, there it goes. He's raising that baby up. This is one of our lifts here. This is a pretty big one here. It lifts quite a bit of weight. I think it's rated about 1,500 pounds. We'll go ahead and let him get busy here. We'll come down this way. We've got more computer terminals here. We've got some nice heavy-duty workbenches. Here's our boring area. We do a lot of cylinder boring here. That's another function that we do here at AJ Cycle. We've got this boring bar and we've got another one. So we've got 2 boring bars. We can bore a pretty big variety of cylinders, from scooter cylinders up to Harley cylinders and some of the big bore quad cylinders. Down here we've got some of our trike service stations. We do our trike service and our trike builds at these stations. This is an idea some of the guys came up with, to carpet these workbenches here. That way we can lay all our painted parts down here, have a nice soft surface to lay them on. This is a trike over here that's getting some service done to it. We've got it on our trike lifts, and these lifts are made specifically to lift the trikes up. They've got a high weight rating on them, and they're shaped that they'll accommodate the trikes. Step back here for a minute, I'll show you. They've got a big ramp system on them back here where we can put about any model and make of trike, and we do service all brands of trikes, whether you purchased it here or not, doesn't matter to us. We do all the brands of trikes and motorcycles. Let me step over here. See what's going on over here. I'll introduce you to Sky. This is Sky.
Hey,
He's one of our trike technicians and one of our senior fabricators. Tell me about what you're doing here, Sky.
I just installed these fender bras on the GL 1800 motor trike. Now we're getting ready to do a service to put it up front for sale.
Well, fantastic. All right, let's follow me over here. I got a few other things I'm going to show you. This is another one of our build stations. This is the other one here. Again, we got the carpeted worktop and everything. Keep everything nice and soft surface so we don't scratch anything. Over here we've got a Stallion service area. And another thing that's pretty neat, we've got it's a brand new tool that we have here. It's our lift that we bought specifically to lift the Stallions. We can lift a lot of different vehicles with it, but we got it specifically to lift the Stallions. And this will raise the Stallion up right up in the air. We can do all of our service to it. And step over here a minute. We've got some other equipment over here. We've got a nice heavy-duty workbench here. We've got bead blasting capabilities. We've got welding capabilities, and I've got a welder that works here. That he's a fantastic award-winning certified welder. He can do MIG, TIG, stick, torch. He can do about anything. We've got some machining capabilities down here. We do have a vertical mill. We've got a lathe over here. We've got a drill press. Got a lot of machining capabilities. And we'll step back here. I think Sky's getting ready to lift this Stallion up and do some service to it. Get a shot of this. I'm going to see this Stallion going up. And this makes Stallion service and do for a stallion makes it a breeze. We can raise these things right up. Go ahead and get that all the way to the top, Sky. We'll get that all the way up, and we can walk right under that. We can do tire service, brake service, oil changes, all the maintenance on it. We can do that with this lift. It makes it real nice to work on these. It takes a minute to get up there, but when it's up in the air, here you go. Okay, we're going to let that down on the safety locks there. That'll settle right down. Now we're in good shape. Now we can get under that. We can get under here, do any kind of service underneath the stallion that we need to do. We can do oil changes and lubrication and all the maintenance that needs to be done underneath here. Makes it real good to work on these. And we can do these quick when we got this set up. We're pretty happy to have that because we can do a lot of service on the stallions. That's one of our big pushes we want to make this year, to be able to service a lot of stallions, and now we've got the equipment to do it. We've got a little bit of other storage over here. We've got some motorcycles parked here that we're doing some service on, and here's another piece of equipment that we use here at AJ Cycle and Tri Conversions. Pretty handy. It's an oldie but a goodie, but it's a forklift. We use this to take our conversion kits off the semi when we get those in. This is how we get them off and get them set down here in the shop so we can get to work on them right away. That's pretty much the quick tour of the shop here. And I was glad to show you everything today, and I will see you next time at AJ Cycle and Tri Conversions.